Unlock the secret to stunning images on any phone screen with this Webflow tutorial. First, let's address your image's size in the Style panel. Under Layout, ensure your image's width is set to 100%. This tells the image to take up the full available width of its container, which is crucial for responsiveness. Next, for the height, keep it set to auto. This allows the image to maintain its original aspect ratio, preventing any distortion when it resizes for different screen widths. Still in the Layout section, make sure the display property is set to block. This ensures the image acts as a block-level element, behaving predictably within your layout. Now, let's fine-tune for mobile. Click on the Breakpoint icon in the top bar and select your smallest screen size, typically mobile portrait. This lets you preview and adjust how your image looks on a phone. At this mobile breakpoint, double-check that your image's width is still set to 100%. If it looks too large or too small, you can create a specific override for this breakpoint. Just click the little blue plus sign next to width if it needs adjustment, and set it to your desired percentage. Beyond sizing, image optimization is key for fast loading times. Go to your Assets panel and select the image you're working with. Webflow automatically optimizes your images, but you can review settings like compression quality here. For the best balance between quality and file size, consider using the WebP format. Webflow usually handles this automatically, but it's good to be aware of these powerful optimization tools that make your images load lightning fast on any device. By applying these simple techniques, your images will not only look fantastic, but also load quickly, giving your mobile visitors a seamless and enjoyable experience. Happy designing!